Hello everyone, it's Joy from Funtouch Kenya, and today we have the Vivo Y22, a budget-friendly smartphone with some impressive features. Let's dive right into it and explore what this device has to offer. The Vivo Y22 features a sleek design with a 6.55-inch IPS LCD display offering vibrant colors and good viewing angles. The phone fits comfortably in the hand thanks to its slim profile and rounded edges. On the rear, we have a dual camera setup consisting of 50-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for capturing those portrait shots. Moving on to the front, we have an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The Vivo Y22 runs on Funtouch OS, which is based on Android. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which provides smooth performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. Battery life is always an essential factor, and the Vivo Y22 doesn't disappoint. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts throughout a full day of moderate usage. You can get this phone in 3 colors: Starlight Blue, Metaverse Green, and Summer Cyan, and it costs 23,000 Kenyan shillings at Funtouch. You can place an order at our website www.funtouch.kenya or head over to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5. We also do deliveries, same-day delivery within Nairobi and 24-hour delivery outside Nairobi.